Just grab one large tortilla, some spinach. I like to use a lot because it does shrink when you cook. I have some chopped red bell pepper, and we are just gonna lay these right in there, just like this. Fit as many as you can. Beautiful. Now for the main part of our dish, we have 5 eggs cracked in. And we're just gonna place them right around our dish, just like this. Beautiful. This is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and grab some black peppercorn. And you can use whatever seasoning you like. I just have my preferences, but use your preferences. Some pink Himalayan salt. I like the fancy stuff. Ooh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Some onion powder. Ooh, that looks fancy. Look how colorful and delicious this is. This is gonna be a super healthy and yummy breakfast. I have these dried chives, and we're just gonna do a nice sprinkle on there. You can use fresh chives if that's what you prefer, but the freeze-dried are just the same. Okay, and of course, you guys know I have to add some garlic. It wouldn't be my breakfast without a little bit of garlic, and we're just gonna sprinkle it right in there. Use your spoon and get a good amount on each of those eggs. Yum! Okay, perfect. And this part is gonna be totally optional, but totally yummy. I have some hot banana pepper rings. Oh, they smell so good. I just love a little spice with this. So I'm just gonna add them right to my dish. And this is all in my spring form pan. It's just the perfect shaped pan for this tortilla egg breakfast. But yeah, I'm just using my fork and getting out a few of these banana peppers. These are so good. I know that they're normally for like sandwiches and stuff, but I love them for my breakfast. All right, that looks perfect for our banana peppers. Now, last but certainly not least, I have some fresh mozzarella cheese. And we're just gonna put this whole thing right on. I'm just kidding. We're gonna grate this. All right, let's get this out. And start grating some fresh mozzarella right on top of our breakfast. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Oh, I like a lot of cheese, so I'm gonna do a lot on mine, but you can even skip the cheese if you want this to be extra healthy. But you cannot get me to eat healthy without adding cheese. Sorry, Mom. Okay, this looks delicious. That is it. Our yummy breakfast is ready for the oven. I have my oven set to 350, and this is gonna cook for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how you like your eggs. I'm gonna cook mine for 20 because I do want the yolks to be a little runny. Oh my, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, before we pop this baby open, of course, you guys know I love sriracha on all of my breakfasts, and this is no different. Just a nice little drizzle. Beautiful. Not too much. You can skip that part if you don't like it. Let's go ahead and pop this baby open. Easy peasy. Woo! Looks so good, you guys. This looks so good. Okay, let's go ahead and cut a slice. Woo! Oh my, that looks so good. Now let's check that egg to see what we got. Ooh. All right, it's not runny like I wanted to, but it's not over hard. I'll take that as a win. Okay, now it's time to take a bite. Woo. so good, you guys.